This is the second part of this van fixing series. If you'd like to see the first part, during which we fixed up some of my solar panel wiring, it's linked in the top corner. Now let's get to fixing some speakers.
Yeah, this explains why my speakers weren't really working very well. I'm going to try to start taking apart the speakers and see if we can figure out what's wrong with them. Oh no. Speakers in the box. Where would this be? That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so we took this working speaker, wired it, jump wired it to there, and it kind of worked. Then we took one of my old speakers, and it also kind of worked. But then we did it again, and all the speakers stopped working. So we're not really sure what that means exactly, but what we will do is we'll go get new speakers and probably a new head unit depending on the price, and just buy them and put them in, and if things still don't work, then we'll worry about wiring and try to figure out what else might be a problem. Trying to find a head unit. We're not sure if they have any in here or not, but it's an electronics store, so we decided to check it out. Okay, Neptune did not have, well, they had one, but it wasn't the size. It just wouldn't work for what we wanted. So we're gonna, do you have another idea of where we're gonna go?
I do, yeah.
Okay, good.
Go find some.
Good thing you know this town better than I do. Seatbelt. Oh. Indoors. It's this balance between like finding something at a good price and also finding something that works decently. So I don't know. We'll see. So we got some speakers, but there are phonies. We got phony speakers. All right, let's do this. We're supposed to have the special tool to fit into these tiny little slots here and here to pull this whole thing out. But we don't have it. So while Tommy's trying to figure out a way to get that out, I'm going to show you, this is the new unit that I bought. It's not the best, and we'll see what comes up on the screen, but I needed a new unit, and this fits, one of the only ones we found that will actually fit into the hole that's there. So it is what it is.
And the exact size plugs that were on the radio that we bought matched up with the plugs that were on the stock head unit, so I don't even have to rewire anything at all. It's already connected.
Are there holes in the right places?
Maybe.
Okay, so as it turns out, we think that there's something wrong with the wiring because the driver's side speaker still doesn't work. So now we're gonna dig around a bit for it. We're gonna work on making the speakers that we bought, those phonies, fit into the frames that go on the back, the little where they sit, and hopefully we can find this wire that's causing this malfunction on the front end.
The bundle is all completely wrapped in like an insulation and it all looks good,
but it wasn't.
so I don't really know how we're gonna figure out.
Well, can't we just run a new wire
Yeah, we definitely can. Might get
and
there.
just leave the old pinched wire in there, but we don't know which one it is.
Right.
We've got 2 more speakers we're trying to wire up in the back, and then I think we're gonna call it a day.
Pretty soon the party
But we're gonna cross our fingers and hope this actually works. One of them works. Better than what they had before.
Yeah, you too. Can you refill that with gas or not?
You have to buy your bottle.
The last speaker. Whew! Okay, the radio still works. I didn't fry it out. What'd you say? Yeah, switch it to Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected successfully.
In order to allow me to go home tonight, we had to get the radio head unit actually to stick, but we don't have a solution for it. So right now it's upside down and wedged in with a piece of metal.
Custom,
yeah. Upside down. From back here, you almost can't tell. I think we're wrapping it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll show you all of the updates as we progress. I'll be making more videos about this process. So we have a few more things that we'll have to do, but we'll have to come back and do that another day.
Next week, I'll post the video of us mounting the head unit correctly. If you're here late and you want to see that, link is in the description. If you're here on time, that'll be out next week. Thanks for watching. See you soon.